Hello, welcome to Someday Farm. I'm Stephen Watson here with today's Tàijíquán Tip. Today's tip it applies or is to be applied uh, following a class or perhaps a course of study in a different art. So maybe that's painting, maybe it's crochet, maybe it's a different martial art. Uh, Not much matters to me. But the idea is to following the class in the other art, which I've just finished like 2 minutes ago. Um, take take the opportunity to tune into what you learned in the previous class or course of study that you value. It might not be the most important thing or the biggest thing. It might not even be something that you can quite put words to, but something that you learned that you experience as having value, and then have some Tai Chi Chuan practice and see if you can find a place where that value fits in your Tai Chi or where that value is found in your Tai Chi. See if you can find the home for those values in your Tai Chi Chuan form. And I expect that if it is valuable and valued by you, it will be found in your Tai Chi Chuan form. Doesn't mean I have to force it to have a place, but I'm just kind of curious about, hey, so if that's a good thing to have learned, is that found in this other thing that's a good thing to have been spending my time on? So give that a whirl if you can, and uh, keep studying in every way that you can.
Thank you for your support. We're relying on donations now more than ever. Here are all the ways that you can help. Online reviews, sharing videos, commenting, subscribing also help.